managed to make ends meet? Who finds the money when you pay the rent? Do you think that money was heaven sent? Friday night arrives without a suitcase, Sunday morning creeping like a nun. Monday's child was like to tie his bootlace. See how they run, Lady Madonna, baby at your breast. Wonder how you managed to feed the rest. Oh. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore fingers again with another version of Lady Madonna by the Beatles. This is a Campfire version, a much simplified version for those of you who just want to get around the campfire and sing along. Okay, standard tuning, no capo, doing it the same key as the Beatles as before. Okay, so this is a much simplified version. Okay, so starting off with a little bit of the riff, simplified riff. Okay, just so to give a flavour of the song. Okay, if you don't want to play the riff to start with, then just go straight into the verse, which is coming next. Okay, so the little riff I played is basically one finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, the D string, along with the open 5th. Okay, to start with, 2 hits on those 2 strings, the 5th string and the 4th string. Okay, 2 hits. Then add your 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, hit the 5th string and the 4th string again together, and then put your 3rd finger up to the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and again play the 5th string and the 4th string. So it's got that. Then all you do basically is move this first finger down a string to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and do exactly the same thing on the 4th and 3rd string. 2 open 4th, 2nd on the 3rd together twice. Then add your 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the D string, 4th string and 3rd string together, and then put your 3rd finger up to the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, and play the 4th string, D string and the 3rd string together. So it's exactly the same as the first riff but down a string, yeah? So put the 2 together, you do one and then the other, and then back to the first and then back to the second. You do that 3 times. Okay, so it's okay, so you do that 3 times, end up on a D1, then play an F chord, G, C, it's A, what am I talking about? C, A, F, G, A. Bit of a pause and then we're into the song. Okay, so again, very slowly. Okay, F, G, A. Right, a bit of a mini pause and then we're into the song, and basically it's a simplified version. I'm playing A and D, okay? Lady Madonna, children at your feet, da 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 da, F, G, A. Okay, got that? Again, A to D, A to D, A to D, so Lady Madonna, children at your feet, wonder how you managed to, F, G, A. Repeat the whole thing. Who finds the money when you pay the rent? Did you think that money was F, G, cent, A? Okay, if you wanted to, instead of the D, you could play a D7. If you like the sound of the D7 better, play the D7. So in that case, it would be Lady Madonna, children at your feet, wonder how you managed to make ends meet. Whichever sounds better to you, the D or the D7. Option is yours. Okay. Now we come to the middle section. Friday night arrives without a suitcase. That's basically D minor. So coming out of the D minor, And what I'm doing with this is all downstrokes, very quick downstrokes. That sort of thing, okay? Friday night arrives without a G7. It's a G chord, but with first fret of the top E string, first finger. Okay? Friday night, D minor, G7, suitcase. C, Sunday morning creeping like A minor. So, no. D minor, Monday's child has learnt to tie his G7 bootlace. C, just a single stroke on C. C, B minor, bar chord if you want, second fret bar, minor shape. How they, E sus4, that's an E chord with the little pinky on the second fret of the third string, the G string. Just the one strum, and then a strum E major, just take the pinky off and strum the E chord. So C, C, sorry, where are we? See how they run. Okay, if you can't manage the B minor bar chord, just play a B minor simple chord. Okay, so that's basically an A minor shape, but using those fingers up 2 frets. And put your first finger on the second fret of the top E string. 4 down to 1. If you can't manage the bar chord, it's basically the bar chord shape, but with the first finger just playing the second fret of the top E string. Yeah. So it's see how they run. Okay. So far, let's do the whole thing so far. Okay. So it's slowly. Madonna, children at your feet, wonder how you manage to make ends meet. Who finds the money when you pay the rent? Do you think that money was heaven sent? D minor, G7, C, Sunday morning creep, A minor, D minor, G7, C, D minor, E7, 4. Okay, and then basically we do another verse, and so on. Okay, and just verses and chorus. Everything you've got there already is what's in the song. There's nothing else in it. For the outro on the simplified version, I just played the intro again. Okay, so when you come out of the last verse where it goes, Lady Madonna, children at your feet, wonder how you manage to make ends meet. That's what I did, exactly the same as the intro. Okay, so there you have it, my simplified version of Lady Madonna by the Beatles. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.